In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create knowledge base in Confluence. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable process for setting up a space your team can actually use to find answers fast. We'll start by creating a new space. In the top navigation bar, click Spaces, then choose Create a Space. This blueprint gives you a solid starting point with search and helpful layouts built in. Give your space a clear, memorable name. Something like Company Wiki or Support Hub works well so people instantly know what it's for. Before you continue, define who can view and who can edit. Setting permissions early prevents accidental edits and keeps sensitive information protected. If you are unsure, start with a small editor group and broaden access later. Next, set up the home page. Confluence generates a default landing page that includes a search bar and content macros. Designed for quick navigation. Click the pencil icon to edit. Here, customize the page with direct links to your most important resources, documentation, FAQs, onboarding guides, or popular topics. Keep it scannable. Group related links, use concise descriptions, and highlight what people need most often. A clean homepage is the fastest path to fewer support questions. Now, let's create articles and content. Click Create in the top menu and pick a template like How to or Troubleshooting. These templates give you consistent structure. Problem steps, expected result, which makes articles easier to write and easier to read. Use clear, action-focused titles so they show up well in search. Before you publish, add page labels, simple keywords that describe the topic. Labels make content more discoverable and power automatic categorization across your space. Choose a consistent labeling pattern so related pages naturally group together. With content in place, configure permissions. Go to Space Tools, then Permissions. Here, you can restrict access to sensitive material or enable anonymous access if your knowledge base needs to be publicly readable. Review who can view, add, and edit. If your team uses Jira Service Management, consider integrating it with this Confluence space. Linking the two creates a self-service portal where customers or employees can find answers before opening a ticket. Make sure the articles they need are visible to the same audience that uses the portal, so the experience is seamless. That's it. Thanks for watching.